official Galaxy S22 month. We are just a few days away from the official announcement of the Galaxy S22 series. As always, leaks never stop. We have full official marketing material leaked showing off some of the key features of each Galaxy S22 model. We also have a slight bad news that we'll talk about later in the video. Before we get into everything, just to confirm the biggest concern that people have regarding the Galaxy S22 series, which is the chipset distribution, we finally have the official list which basically confirms which variant is going to which region. So as expected, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 comes to more markets, while the Exynos 2200 is coming to Europe, UK, and some parts of Asia, Middle East, and Africa. Now, some people were clearly disappointed because they were getting the Exynos 2200 chip, but guys, wait and see the actual real-life performance, because even though Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 is stronger than the Exynos 2200, we still don't know how these chips will actually perform inside a full-fledged final Galaxy S22 model, so we still have to wait and see the official testing after the launch. Alrighty, so the big official marketing material is here, further confirming all that we know already. Here are the official specs for the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Galaxy S22/S22 Plus. And no, there will be no charger in the box. You're just gonna get the SIM ejecting tool, the phone itself, and of course, the USB-C cable. Looking at the key features, the 1750 nits bright OLED screen is confirmed for both S22 Ultra and Galaxy S22 Plus. The standard S22 will have 1300 nits of brightness. 45-watt fast charging, 4nm chips, 8K HDR video, nightography are some of the key marketing features for this whole Galaxy S22 series. Now, what's the real new stuff from this leak that we didn't know before? Well, the Galaxy S22 Ultra's camera bring 3 key upgrades. First, as we know, is nightography, aka night mode. Then comes the cinematic details, which is of course the 12-bit HDR video. And then finally, something that we didn't know before is authentic portraits. This is all because of the brand new AI ISP. With the help of this, Samsung has introduced 2 new AI features, the AI restoration and AI stereo depth mapping. The first one will enhance the detailed expression of the skin and eyes and pretty much overall clarity of the portrait image. And the second one is said to improve the blur in the background, or as you call it, bokeh, making it more realistic than ever before. I'm super excited to see the brand new authentic portrait mode on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now, most of the camera features will be available on all models, such as the nightography, 8K HDR video, but still some features will be exclusive to the S22 Ultra model. Now, as much as I love the Ultra model, this time Samsung has done a pretty amazing job when it comes to upgrades throughout the whole Galaxy S22 series. Again, let me know which model will you go for in the comment section below, and use my special code to get 50% off. This is a limited time option, so definitely check it out. Now, back to the video, we have a slight bad news that could affect the Galaxy S22 series. The supply chain issue that happened in 2021 will continue to be a challenge for Samsung in 2022. According to John Prosser, the Galaxy S22 series could face a delay, with the S22 Ultra's availability now pushed to February 25th. As for the S22 and S22 Plus, they are pushed to March 11th. You can still pre-order the Galaxy S22 series on the same day, but the sooner you do, the better chance you have to secure your next Galaxy phone, because there could be some serious delays. Right now, 20% of Android users are planning to upgrade to the upcoming Galaxy S22 series, where the S22 Ultra is the most popular choice. There you go. If you're interested in the S22 series, especially the S22 Ultra model, you have to make your move quick. So that's all the latest news. The S22 series are coming, and definitely a lot of people are looking for the upgrade. Let me know which model you are interested in the comment section below. As always, hit that subscribe button for the full coverage. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.